Today's I am talking about these stocks. Here you can see how much return these stocks make for investors. Here you can see $175, and these stocks make today return approximately 3%. And in the last 5 days these stocks make approximately 3%. In the last 1 month these stocks make 26%, which is good. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 6 months, these stocks lose money approximately 25%. These stocks make a main value, market value approximately 32% lose. This stock may lose 26% market valuation, and these stocks make 45% market valuation in the last 5 years. In the last whole journey, if you see, these stocks make approximately 800%, which is good, I know that, but not a very good. Here you can see how much return these stocks lose. 56% market valuation these stocks lose from 2021 to 2026. Okay, so here you can see the stocks market cap and PE ratio. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.